Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So in this video, we'll solo the coordinate geometry exercise 7.2, the fourth one. Right now, the question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Right children? So this is the question. Now how to solve this? Children, I think if you have remember the first question means in that question you're able to find the coordinate points which the line segment is divided by the in some ratios, right? So but here in this question you need to find the ratio only. So right, so you need to find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points, these 2 points are the line joining the points, which is divided by the point minus 1 comma 6. So in there you are able to find the same coordinates in the first problem, but here you need to find the ratio they are giving the coordinate points, right? So let me explain by writing one line, children. So for example, sorry, so if suppose A is the coordinate, A is the first point. They have given the coordinate points. So minus 3 comma 10, and B is the point 6 comma minus 8. Right? If suppose AB is a line segment which which divides the this line segment in the coordinates P, means they have given the coordinates P also. How much? So minus 1 comma 6. Right? Now you need to find if this line segment AB is divided in the point P coordinates of minus 1 comma 6, means in what ratio this line segment has been divided in the coordinates of minus 1 comma 6, that you need to find out, children. Right, children? So I think you know the formula to find the coordinates which the point divides the line segment, the coordinate points P which divides the line segment joining the points AB in the ratio. Now here you need to find the ratio, right? So that means you don't know the ratio. Let me say the ratio will be k is to 1 most probably. So therefore you know the formula to find the ratio of a point divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio k is to 1. The formula is the P will be, or the formula of P will be, the coordinates of P will be P equals kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 comma ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. So this is the formula to find the ratio which divides the line segment AB in the ratio k is to 1. Now again I will say, children, again I will explain this. Here AB is a line segments of having a coordinates of minus 3 comma 10 and B of 6 comma minus 8, and which divides in the point P of having a coordinates minus 1 comma 6. So you need to find on what ratio that this line segment has been divided as a coordinates of minus 1 comma 6. That the ratio you need to find out, children. Right? So now just I'll write down the coordinates of A and B. So therefore A of minus 3 comma 10 and B of 6 comma minus 8 is the actual coordinates. Right? Now let me write, let the points P of minus 1 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points joining A of minus 3 comma 10 and B of 6 comma minus 8 6 comma minus 8 into k is to 1 ratio, right? So you need to find the ratio. Now this is the formula, right? Now I'll write again the ratio. Sorry, again I'll write the coordinates of A and B, minus 3 comma 10, and B of 6 comma minus 8. And here the coordinates they have given, P of how much? Nothing but minus 1 comma 6, right children? Now as usual, call this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, and you need to apply these p coordinates in the place of p children, right? And find the ratio. And what ratio? That this line ABC line segment has been divided in the coordinates of this point, coordinates of minus 1 comma 6, right? Now I'll write the formula again. P of, or P equals to k x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, k plus 1, comma k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Now just observe the formula here. Unit P, you are having a P value, P coordinates, and you are having a X value, X1, X2, and Y1 and Y2, and just find the ratio. Now P is nothing but minus 1 comma 6. Here minus 1 is for the X coordinates and 6 for the Y coordinates. So that's equals to, now K into, what is the value of x2 children? X2 is 6. So therefore k into 6 plus, now what is the value of x1? X1 is here. So therefore it's minus 3 divided by here k plus 1, comma, now k into, what is the value of y2? Y2 is minus 8 into, right? What is the value of y1? Y1 is 10 divided by k plus 1, right children? Now simplify this. So therefore minus 1 comma 6 is equals to, now 6 into k is nothing but 6k, plus into minus is minus 3 divided by k plus 1, comma, now plus into minus is minus, so therefore 8 into k is 8k is nothing but minus 8k, right? Minus 8k, sorry, this is k into y2, right? K into y2 is minus 8 here, plus this is plus 10, y1 is plus 10, so therefore this is plus 10, right children? Now minus, plus into minus is minus, 8 into k is 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1, right children? Now simplify this. Now as I said, this minus 1 is for the x-axis and this 6 is for the y-coordinates, right? Now just compare the x-axis and the y-axis, right? Now just comparing by, sorry, on comparing, right? So on comparing, 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equals to minus 1, right? Because minus 1 is for the x coordinate, comma, or the second one, 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1 is equals to 6. I'll say again, see this minus 1 for is the x coordinates and this 6 for the y coordinates. So now I'm comparing for the x coordinates to x coordinates and y coordinates to y coordinates. That's it, right? So therefore 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equals to minus 1. Here minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1 is equals to 6, right children? Now simplify this. Now make a cross multiple. So if your cross multiple means this nothing is there means 1. So therefore numerator to the denominator, here numerator to the denominator. So therefore 6k minus 3 into 1 is equals to minus 1 into k plus 1. So this is for the first one, 6k minus 3 into 1 and minus 1 into k plus 1, right? Like the same method, the step you need to apply here also. So make a cross multiple. So therefore minus 8k plus 10 into 1 is equals to 6 into k plus 1, right? Now multiple 1 into something is nothing, is the same answer will come. So therefore 6k into 1 is 6k minus 3 ones are 3. That's equals to, now here you need to multiply it by 1 and also you need to multiply with the symbols also. So therefore minus 1 into k is minus 1k, minus into plus is minus 1 ones are 1, right children? Here multiply with the 1 and with the symbol. So minus 8k into 1 is nothing but minus 8k. Now plus 10 ones are 10. That's equals to 6k, 6 into k, 6k plus 6 ones are 6, right children? Now you can find only one value. Either you can find the x coordinates or either you can find the y coordinates, right children? Now simplify this. So now just send minus 1k to the left hand side and minus 3 to the right hand side. So 6k, if send minus 1k to the left hand side means it will become plus. So therefore plus 1k is equals to minus 1 will be there as usual, and if you send minus 3 to the right hand side means it will become plus 3. So therefore 6k plus 1k, it's 7k is equals to, minus into plus is minus, so therefore you need to subtract. So therefore 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, sign of a biggest number is 3, sign is plus, therefore plus 2. So nothing but k value is 2 by 7. So nothing but the ratio is 2:7, right children? So you can find the y coordinate value also, or else you can stop here also. I'll find the y coordinates also. Now here just send 6k to the left hand side. So therefore minus 8k, here if you send 6k to the right hand side means it will become plus. So therefore minus 6k will become minus 6k, right children? That's equals to 6 will be there, plus 10, if you send plus 10 to the right hand side means it will become minus. So therefore minus 10. Again I'll say a minus 8k will be there as usual, and send the 6k to the left hand side. If you send 6k to the left hand side it will become minus 6k, and plus 6 as usual it will be there. Now send plus 10 to the right hand side. So if you send plus 10 to the right hand side means it will become minus 10. Now subtract it or add. So minus into minus will be plus. So therefore you need to add. So 8k plus 6k is nothing but minus 14k. That's equals to, here 6 minus 10 is nothing but 4, right? So nothing but minus 4. Here also sign of a biggest number is minus 14k. Here also sign of a biggest number is 10, some sign is minus. So therefore minus 14k is equals to, so minus minus get cancelled, right? So therefore remaining is 14k is equals to 4, nothing but 14k is equals to 4 by 14. 4 ones are, sorry, 4 ones are you can't. So 2 2s are 2 7s are. So the answer is k is equals to 2 by 7. So nothing but 2:7, right children? So what is the meaning of this? The point minus 1, 6 divides the line segment joining the points a of minus 3, 10 and b of 6, minus 10 into the ratio 2:7. Now here just you can find the ratio by taking only one coordinates, x coordinates, that's enough. If you want to verify means you can take the y coordinates and you can simplify it. Now what is the ratio? The ratio is 2:7, and